Hello guys, welcome to Zeracker. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video I am going to share you how to use Internet Download Manager for free for lifetime. Hope you will like this video. I am going to share virus-free activation. All download links are given below in the description. So let's start the video with a short intro. Okay guys. Download these two files from description. And follow these steps. Run IDM as administrator and install it. Choose your language and proceed. I will be here after the completion of installation. Close the Microsoft Store, if it opens. Now open IDM. Click on, Help. And then, About IDM. See, it is not registered. Now it is the time to register. Let's start. Close IDM fully. Close it from taskbar too. Now open file location of Internet Download Manager and paste the patcher. Download link is on description. Download and paste it. I am directly dragging it. Press on continue. Let me maximize the window. Now, run patcher as administrator. It will open and the layout will be like this. Now, click on patch. And now you are done. Click on exit. And close the file location window. Now open IDM. Go to help section. And then to about IDM. Boom guys, your IDM is registered successfully. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel.